What's up, guys? I'm here in New York City. You can kind of see it out of our hotel window. But me and Eric came here for the weekend. We went to Soho today. Just here for like a weekend trip. And we went to Soho today to go shopping. I got some stuff, so I thought I'd show you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump right into it. Okay, so the first place that I went to was Topshop. It says Top Man, but it was just Topshop. It was just, I don't know, other bags, only like the man part. I got two things from Topshop. So I'm always wearing like leggings, occasionally jeans when I'm feeling like it. So I wanted to get some cool pants. So I got, it's gonna be hard. I got these. They're like cargo kinda, but they're like a straight leg. And I really like them. They remind me of like the IMGO ones, which I think I'm still gonna get those ones too. I feel like they'll be super cute with like just a basic like little crop top like this. I don't know what that was. And then I got some plain black just trousers, just like this. Just plain black. They're so cute. Like, I think like trousers like this with like a band t-shirt or even something like this would be so cute. I got those in petite and they're kind of short on me, but I couldn't find them in the normal size, so it's fine. They're gonna look great. And I went to Brandy Melville, and there's no Brandy Melville in Ohio where we live, so I was like super excited. I thought I was gonna spend so much money there, but I honestly didn't find a lot. But I only got two things. I was gonna get pants from there too, but the smalls were too tight on me and mediums, so I got this Paris t-shirt, and it was $21. Yeah, this is only one size, so it's kind of like a fits-all kind of thing. And Eric really liked this. That's like the main reason why I got this. And the pants, if you guys want it, the pants I got a size 4 in both of them. And then this is the other shirt I got from Brandy Melville. It's just a plain white, like shrunken kind of t-shirt, because like those are like, I love wearing those. This was only $14 and it's a small. So I love that. I went to Zara. I got, oh, I'm so excited about this. This is probably like my favorite thing that I got, because I've been wanting one so bad and I finally found it. It's a long, like a midi, I think that's what they're called, a midi black dress, and it's so cute on with like Stan Smiths. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much, and it was literally $17. And I got a size small. And then I got one more thing from Zara. I'm literally obsessed with white t-shirts or t-shirts in general, so I got another t-shirt. It says, my t-shirt is better than yours. And again, it's just kind of like a shrunken-ish type of white t-shirt, and it was only $9, so couldn't pass it up. And it's like not even a waste of money, because I wear t-shirts literally pretty much every day. And then the last place that I went to was Stussy, and I only got one thing. I haven't even opened it. I just got this one. It says Stussy, New York, and then it says it really big on the back. And I got a size small. This was $95, I think. That's everything that I got. Once Eric comes back, he's gonna show you guys what he got. He only got a few things. Well, I actually got him one of them, but he'll show you it. I think that's everything I got. And guess who's back? Eric's back. Alright, Eric's gonna show you guys everything he got in Soho.
Okay.
Bruh.
Second night in a row she has done this. now that Alyssa's done making a mess, I'm gonna show you the exciting 2 things I got today. First thing I purchased at the Nike store, Nike Lab in Soho. It was crazy in there. Had like 4 floors.
It was like just insane there. Like
they had a worker like call up the shoes, and then someone ran them to him, and he ran them to me. Crazy experience. Never had something like that before. Number 2, come here, baby. Alyssa spent more money than she should have on me on one single t-shirt, but she really wanted to get me. I was in love with it. And alright, so this is a t-shirt from Stussy. T-shirt, striped t-shirt.
with a little pocket.
With a little nipple pocket. And
Alright, let's go back here.
You don't really have to put all that talk in there.
Let's go back one. Yeah.
So this is my new t-shirt from Stussy. Yeah, you get the gist.
Yeah, it's a nice tee. It's a nice tee, bro.
I'm gonna show my shoes off again. I'm super excited about these. Look at them. Alright, so yeah, I'm done showing them off. I'm in love with them.
This is the first video that we're doing on an iPhone instead of like my big large camera, and I honestly like it a lot more because we can actually see ourselves. So I feel like this is going really well and I don't feel as awkward. Subscribe if you like this more, hit the like button, comment more videos that you'd like to see from us, or beauty related, fashion ones. Could
by her,
by me, or fashion from both of us.
Ugly.
He's also into fashion a lot too. So if you guys want to see a male one, you just comment below.
Alright, peace out, guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Love ya.